In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up AnyDesk on Windows 11 PC or laptop. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then go to anydesk.com/downloads/Windows. This is the official AnyDesk download page, which ensures you're getting the latest and most secure version of the software. Once you're on the page, click the Download Now button. Choose where you want to save the file if prompted, then wait for the download to complete. You can monitor the progress from the top right corner of your browser. After the download finishes, click the file directly from your browser or open your Downloads folder and double-click the AnyDesk file to launch it. By default, AnyDesk will open in portable mode, which means you can use it right away without installing, especially for quick or one-time sessions. If you want to fully install it, look for the option that says Install AnyDesk on this device and click it. In the installation settings, you can uncheck the option for installing the AnyDesk printer if you don't need remote printing features. Now click Accept and Install to begin the setup. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to allow the installation. Wait for the process to complete, and once it's done, the app will be ready to use. You'll now see your unique 9-digit ID under the section labeled Your Address. This is what you share with others if they want to connect to your computer. To connect to another device, type their 9-digit address into the remote address bar at the top and press Enter. You can also use the invite option to send a session invitation to another user. At the bottom area, you can explore additional settings. Click on the Profile drop-down to choose different access modes like default, screen sharing, full access, or unattended access depending on what you need. You can also check the icons and settings on the interface or click more on the right sidebar to customize your experience further. And that's it. AnyDesk is now fully set up on your PC or laptop, and you're ready to remotely access devices or provide support anytime you need. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.